Hey guys, I'm Big Films 39 and today I will unbox the brand new hot off the shelves Metallica Hardwired to Self-Destruct album. This is the 3 CD deluxe version. I pre-ordered it at Best Buy and it was really cool that they had this on sale for $9.99, the same price as the regular, I guess, one disc version. So that was a good deal. And then we just kind of have some other classic Metallica albums on the side that I picked up during Best Buy's Black Friday sale. Got these babies each for $3.99. So that was really cool. But yeah, we're gonna unbox this. If you're new to my channel, I unbox things, so you might be asking, what's the point to this? Well, there is no point at all. I unbox movies, and I picked this up. I'm gonna unbox it. Let's just see what it looks like inside. There's no need to judge. There's no need to be critical. So, yeah, Hardwired to Self-Destruct Deluxe 3D set featuring Hardwired, Moth into Flame, and Atlas Rise, plus 14 bonus songs. I'm not sure if those are live songs or not. But yeah, I've heard all these songs. Obviously, Hardwired is, the most testosterone song of all of them, the one that, feels like Metallica. But even that one, I don't know. When I first heard it, it's like there's not much artistry going on here. They're just, trying to make some more money, and as all bands do, they, by the end of their reign, they get pretty uncreative. The music suffers, and I kind of get that vibe here. Moth into Flame, what can you say? Just not a song that anyone is going to use to, define the greatness of Metallica. And Atlas Rise I thought was kind of okay. I will say though that while I am very skeptical of this album and I'll listen to the whole thing, I will say that Death Magnetic, when I first got that album, I've never been like a big, huge Metallica fan. Like, I was never extremely familiar with their entire catalog. I just knew the hits. I was just kind of one of those a-holes that just knew the hits. But Death Magnetic, when I first listened to that, I was pretty disappointed with it. And over the years, as I listened to it more, there's some really killer songs on there that I do think add to the legend of Metallica. So, maybe that could be the case here. So, enough of me uttering nonsense. Let's open this up. Let me read through the track listing first. Hardwired, Atlas Rise, Now That We're Dead, Moth into Flame, Dream No More, Halo on Fire, Confusion, Man Unkind, Here Comes Revenge, Am I Savage, Murder One, Spit Out the Bone. All right. Yeah, like, it's bands just, when they get into their later years, they're still putting out albums, they're just not as good. It's just, time catches up to everyone. AC/DC's last album was, it wasn't terrible, but it's not anything special, nothing to write home about. Even their album before that, while there were some good songs on there, Black Ice, even that one kind of started to suffer. So this is why we unbox things, so we can, take a look inside. So we got Hammett and Hetfield there. And we open it up one more time. Got someone screaming, and there's an ear there. So this is disc 1. And we got Hardwired, Atlas Rise, Now That We're Dead, Moth into Flame, Dream No More, Halo on Fire. Disc 2, Confusion, Man Unkind, Here Comes Revenge, Am I Savage, Murder 1, Spit Out the Bone. So those contain the tracks listed on the back of the CD, the back of the packaging, and here are the 14 bonus songs, it looks like. Lords of Summer, Ronnie Rising Medley, When a Blind Man Cries, Remember Tomorrow, Helpless Live, Hit the Lights Live, The Four Horsemen Live, Ride the Lightning Live, Fade to Black Live, Jump in the Fire Live, For Whom the Bell Tolls Live, Creeping Death Live, Metal Militia Live, and Hardwired Live. So we got some classics there. The live bonus tracks, Fade to Black was For Whom the Bell, For Whom the Bell Tolls is on there. And let me pull out the oh my goodness, this video is really degenerating into a garbage video, but here we have the CD booklet, and let's just flip through it, see what we have in there. Liner notes, I guess. Lyrics, actually. I think that's what you call those. Some brain scans. All right, so that is it. That's the 3-disc deluxe version of Hardwired to Self-Destruct. I'll give it a listen, maybe come back one day, do a little review, a little post-listen discussion of the album. But until then, you guys rock on, rock out. Have a happy Thanksgiving, a good Black Friday, and yeah, goodbye.